So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa and this is my tarot channel known as Divine Tarot. And this is my second video actually. I'm slowly upgrading in the YouTube game, but I have been in YouTube for good 4 5 years wherein I'm an influencer and a fashion stylist as well, wherein I share a lot of content, so you can check out that. So for some reason today I have a very bad headache. So that's why I've just oiled my hair and the universe is asking me to do it, so we are going to do it. I have almost 15 texts right here, so let's get started. Yes, so I just picked up on my light seers, so I have lot to say. So let's see what the universe wants to tell or convey, right? So we have page of swords. Okay, so I'm going to show the cards that are very necessary to be shown. Yeah. So what I want to start is I'm picking up obviously just take the gender what it resonates. So the divine masculine here is feeling stuck. So because we have 8 of swords, okay, he's feeling stuck. Like he's not feeling stuck because of the divine feminine. He's feeling stuck in a situation, right? He's feeling stuck in a situation, and because of which he's getting angry. Here I've got the page of swords. Getting angry that he's not able to come towards you. He just wants to run and come towards you. But there is some scenario which is stopping him, or there is some person that is stopping him. So let's check what is happening. 3 of Wands. Yeah, he just wants to run and come towards you because we got the 4 of Wands. So he wants to just run and give you all that you want, right? I'm talking about the divine feminine. Just take herself, himself, whatever, okay? Just follow with the energy. Don't, like, it could be I'm picking up your energy as well. It could be I'm picking up your counterpart's energy, like your divine counterpart's energy. So let's just go with the flow, okay? And 4 of Pentacles. So somebody at his workplace is feeling stuck because of that. Yes. Okay. He's feeling stuck. Somebody is behind him. I'm hearing that somebody is behind him. Somebody is behind him. He's not, you know, this person is not leaving the divine masculine alone. Yes, I see this like that. See, he's being put in a box. Like he's not able to, his mind and his heart wants to race towards you, but he's feeling stuck. You can see how this is so geometrical. Like he's feeling like that, like in a box. He's feeling stuck like a box. Okay. 6 of Pentacles. It is his workplace. It's his workplace, wherever he is working. Divine masculine is feeling stuck there. Okay. 5 of Cups. Yeah. He just wants to, spend time with you. This divine masculine has a lot of love for you. A lot. There he's not able to imagine his life without you. So yeah, that much love. Like his life has no meaning without you. So his life has no meaning without you being a part of it. You play a major role in this person's life, in the divine masculine's life. You are everything to him. Like you are the number one, right? That's why I'm hearing the word number one. You are number one in his life. Okay, it's his workplace. And for some reason, whoever is this person, right? This is a divine masculine who likes individuality, likes being, having things or doing things himself. But this person that is behind him is not letting him be free. Like he's not having that freeness. He's not having that, that openness to do things by himself. Somebody is just behind him eating his head. They do this, do this, do this. But this divine masculine likes individuality. He doesn't like to be behind him. Right? So that's what I'm getting. And let's check more. So this person, yes, this we can treat this as a karmic, right? Divine masculine is feeling stuck there in the workplace. But he has, his day as he wakes up, he, starts his day by seeing his divine feminine. Could be his, the pictures of divine feminine on social media. Could be he has, your pictures on his phone. He wakes up and he sleeps with the thought of you, by seeing you. So that's how he's too much of love. Like he wants to wake up next to you, he wants to sleep next to you. That's how much he is so much in the desperation to be with you, right? Interesting. Yeah, as I'm doing this reading, I'm also feeling stuck. Like I can understand what's exactly happening, right? So yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was right. Nine of Cups. He's feeling stuck. He's feeling stuck. His heart's desire is to come towards you. It's his earlier I felt there is a disconnect in the divine masculine between his heart and his mind, but it's no longer the case. He's so attached to you. He like I'm just getting the word attached. Attached. That's what I'm feeling like. He just wants to run away. He wants to run away to an island with you. That's what is the energy I'm picking up. Let's see. Yeah, he's struggling. He's just sneaking away from whoever is this person. It could be a man or a woman. I treat it as a karmic because it's that person is stopping divine union from this person. From I mean to say from divine feminine. This divine masculine is feeling stuck. But he earlier, right? Earlier he had doubts like what is this I'm feeling? What is going on with me? But now he has not even a 1% doubt, because in nowhere my cards I felt that he doubts the love for you. He knows it. He knows it what you mean to him. He also knows the fact. This card shows me that he also knows the fact that he cannot get another person like you. You are too special to him. Earlier he was running away from you, but now he knows. Now he knows the worth, that what are you to him, right? Yeah, he just you can see, right? This is sorry, this is the what, this is you. He don't want anything else. He just wants to run towards you, holding you. You can see he left everything behind. He's leaving everything behind. He has reached to a point, and universe played a big role in this. He has reached to a point where he's feeling that he don't want anything else apart from you. That's the realization that has happened, and universe has a big role to play in this, right? Okay. So this is the person that is behind him. Whoever he is dealing, like he's dealing because of money. Yeah. This person is not leaving him alone, and it's not the divine masculine is not liking this. He's irritated by this person. Just is ignoring, right? The more this person is like divine masculine is ignoring this karmic or this person, the more she or he is behind him. And it's he's not liking it. He just wants, like he wants to be alone so that he can see your pictures, or he can spend time with you, or he can chat with you. That's like he wants loneliness, but this person is not leaving him alone. Okay, I just dropped few cards. Let me pick up those. So yeah, I just um, drop few cards. I'm not getting the like sometimes when a reader drops her cards, like they pick up, but I'm not resonating to pick up, to take those cards, right? I'm feeling stuck. Yeah, like I'm feeling stuck. That's what I'm feeling. Yeah, I think this divine masculine is not having proper sleep as well. That much, your remembrance is irritating him. He's not able to sit calmly. It is, triggering him to come towards you. Yeah, let's see what else. Like, didn't get the forward motion. Let's see. Yeah, he's feeling like tied up by that other person, the karmic, that is not, it's against the divine union between the divine masculine and the divine feminine. He's feeling stuck. You are his strength. You, the divine feminine, is entirely like his life is revolving around you. Without you, he cannot even imagine what is life without you. Play such a big role. You are his number one. Like in his life, if he prepares a priority list, you are number one. That much he loves you. But I can see that this love is not expressed, because I didn't get any card of expressing love. This is his feeling in his heart. Yeah. So let's see what else. Yeah, he day and night thinks about you. He's feeling like without you there is no meaning to my life. That is what he's telling. Yeah. So whatever, there is somebody here, okay, that is stopping this divine union. It is a karmic, and this person, I'm feeling like the planets or the universe is gonna teach lesson to this person. Like who is holding the divine masculine? Like I'm hearing that, okay? Like planets, or if you say universe is gonna teach lesson to this person. Once the divine masculine is out of here and he comes rushing towards his divine feminine, that other person, like the karmic or who was holding divine masculine from stopping that this divine union from happening, that person is going to have a good karmic cycle. That's what I'm hearing. Okay, I'm just conveying that to you guys, right? So I'm just picking up on the romance angel cards. So yeah, this guy wants to give it to you. He wants to give you the commitment. I got the wedding card. It's just earlier he felt not whether to give you commitment or not. He had second thoughts, but no longer he feels that way. He just wants to give it to you. Like take it. That's what he wants to tell. Yeah. So yeah, he's just telling I'm gonna give you the commitment. But now what is stopping is this person. This person is, if you're a divine masculine watching this video, this person is very toxic. Okay, she is very revengeful. She or he, just take what resonates. This person is very toxic. Just stay away from this person if you're a divine masculine watching this. This person is very toxic. The more you are less involved, or more, I mean, the lesser that you are attached to this person, the more you will see a positive shift or a positive change in your life. Yeah, it is towards your ultimate goal. The divine masculine's ultimate goal is the divine feminine. Like he needs to find a path or find the way to reach her. She is the ultimate goal, right? And the wedding shows that. I got a lot of cards here asking the divine masculine to pick the route towards divine feminine. Yeah, so let's pick on the lovers oracle. Like what are the cards? These are a bit tricky to shuffle. So yeah, this card is dying to come out. Yeah. So romance. This guy wants to make love to his divine feminine. That's what I see here. And Cupid's arrow strikes. So this is a universe that has, he's love struck. This guy, I think, fell in love with you the first time he met you. The moment he saw you, he felt like he knows you from many past lives. Like suddenly his memory triggered, right? I see this here like that. Cupid's arrow. Yeah. Let's pick another one. This is a bit tricky to shuffle. Yeah. Okay. So I'm, drawn to this. This is the back side of the card. I'm drawn to this angel wings. This this whatever is this connection, it was divinely guided. Like the angels brought you together. Like the universe chose this man and this woman to be together. Right? That is what I'm feeling. I dropped it. See, there is some anxiety, okay, in divine masculine. So let me just pick that up. Yeah. So yeah, I just picked up that card. So you can see how everything is happening. There is a lot of anxiety, okay, in divine masculine, right? So this is, I was just telling that the angel wings, are playing a big role. Like the angels are playing a big role. So, okay, so I'm just going to read out this message. The past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. So, here the thought that I'm getting, that the divine masculine is feeling like, this divine feminine will also turn out to be like his ex. Because the ex, this divine masculine's ex has ditched him, or he was, the divine masculine was surrounded with very toxic people. So when now this spiritual or this angel that came into his life, it is a shock to him. So the divine masculine need to move on. And I also see this, that the life that you lived, I'm talking about the divine masculine, the life that you lived till now and the life that you're going to live with divine feminine will be a complete change. Like what we say, like you are living a black life and now you're going to switch to the white life. That much contrast you would see, right? So the angels are also asking you, because we got the backside card as angel, so we can give this as an angel message. The angels are asking you to release, to let go, because the divine feminine is not that. She's the most beautiful gift, right? I also hearing the word like divine masculine telling, you're too special, you're a gift to me, right? The divine masculine is telling this, right? Today the cards just wanna don't wanna stop. Yeah. So I just continue, okay? I'll give the freedom to the universe and the angels to stop me. Like I know when the cards want me to stop, so I just stop that. So now I'm just going on. This divine masculine is irritated by somebody, right? And this person is at it as this person is at his workplace, right? He's supremely irritated. Like I can feel that irritation, dropping things. He doesn't want to work there, right? And this also shows me that there is a switch in your career place, right? There is a switch. Could be you'll do a business with your divine feminine. Could be, right? So I'll tell you what, actually we got the wedding card before. So to do something with your divine feminine, you need to make things official. Then only it's going to happen, right? So let's see what I'm just going with the flow, like whatever is coming to my mind, right? There is this person, somebody he depends on for money, right? This person is behind him. Yeah, this is the exact energy. This is the exact energy, like behind him, completely behind him. Yeah. So let me just use the angel answers. It's up to you. Yeah, this up to you. You need to put a borderline to this person that is behind you. If you're a divine masculine watching this video, it's up to you. Come on, you can stand up. You can. Divine masculine is like a lion. He can. If he wants to. You should not, like, this toxicity is not tolerable, right? You have to stand up for yourself. Even the angels are asking you to do that. Yeah, in the near future. So you're gonna leave this place. Once you complete, I don't even see that you would complete 100% your task. I'm talking about work, okay? You would just leave it. Something here, I'm hearing the word fight. There is in near future, or it has already happened. Something here, there is a tiff, right? There is a huge fight that is upcoming, or it's happening, because we got the card in near future. I do not see this as positive card, see this as negative card, right? I'm feeling like this is a guidance from the universe, because the divine masculine is dealing with somebody very toxic, right? In fact, it is the quicker you come out of this, leave the work, or even the cards are telling you that you need not complete this 100%, right? You just come out from here, because I feel that this person is so toxic that she or he would take revenge on you, right? Getting you stuck in something, like heard the word legal, something legally. Yeah, the quicker you come out, just run away, right? When the cards are telling you leave it behind, even I got this card, the past is behind. There is a switch in your career, and this person is stopping it. This person is stopping you from going to this divine feminine that is so pure, so energetically beautiful. Yeah. Abundance. Yeah, you have abundance, right? There is light at the end of the tunnel. You're just there. Just leave this person. It's gonna get complicated. Like, when you tie two threads, like the more you tie, the knots are gonna increase. So that is the exact how it is happening with divine masculine, with this person that he's dealing with at his workplace. This person is not your well wisher. This person has cheated you. This person has backstabbed you. Yeah, I'm just picking up on the card's energy. This person is not your well wisher. Yeah, if a divine feminine is watching this video, please let me know in the comments, like what exactly is happening with your divine masculine. Okay, this is the energy I'm picking up, right? There is something wrong. Okay, today I'm just dropping everything, right? So yeah, there is abundance coming, but he has to choose you. Yeah, he knows it. I'm feeling like he knows it, that you are his ultimate destiny. So once he choose you, like you can see this angel here. Okay, see that happy face. Yeah, you can see that. That is how exactly your life is going to be once you're out. So let me ask the universe. Okay, let me just pick one more, because my heart is telling telling me to. Okay. So I'm feeling like within like just another 2 months, we're almost in the middle of November, like it's 7th of November today. So as the year changes, right, 2022, that's what exactly I got here. You would see a switch, right? Whoever is this toxic person that you're dealing with, some fight or some complicated scenario will arise wherein you will just leave it, right? Divine masculine will leave it and come rushing towards divine feminine. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here, right? Yeah. Let let's pick on the soul's journey. What is happening? Humor. Yeah, I choose to focus on the lighter side. The lighter side is your divine feminine. So strangely, okay, I have this deck from a very long time, a good year, right? And this is the first time that I'm seeing this card. Maybe the divine masculine likes the sense of humor of his divine feminine. She's so light, like she's like a bubbly person, humor, right? I choose to focus on the lighter side. Your lighter side is your divine feminine. Yeah, this is the first time that I got this card. It's the first time it happened. Maybe your divine feminine is a very happy-go-lucky girl. Yeah, like a Miss. I call myself Miss Bubbly. So let me know if it resonates. So yeah, one more card. Surrender. Yeah, the universe is asking you to surrender. Okay, and if you're a divine masculine watching this, please get yourself out. No longer will you know, get luck, or no longer, find happiness in the place where you are. Your ultimate happiness is your divine feminine. Yeah, just talk to the divine feminine. Yeah, you will feel lighter. I see this message as that as well. Like, just talk, have fun, okay, with your divine feminine. Just talk. Nobody's rushing you to give a commitment or like just run away and marry some. No, you can have a conversation as well. Yeah, it would light you up, right? Humor. I think the divine feminine is very like, what do you say, like very cheerful girl. Yeah, I'm feeling like divine masculine feels like that he feels very happy, like he has never been so happy, because a divine masculine is surrounded by very toxic people. Apart from his divine feminine, there is no light in his life. So honesty. So it's time to speak honestly with your divine feminine, and honesty to this other person as well, whom you're dealing with, right? This person need to honestly tell that I cannot deal with this anymore. But I'm always hearing the word fight. Let me know if a fight has happened, an argument has happened, something here is, there is some complicated scenario with this, this person whom you're dealing with at your workplace, right? There is, the time has come to release this. And I got the, and I, in my cards, I got a year. Like a year means new year, right? Not far away. Messenger, serious energy bringing harmonies and balance. Yeah, this is the card. Message. Yeah, the cards are asking you to message. Contact. You would feel lighter. You would get, like, you always need the energy of the divine feminine to come out of toxic situations. Yeah, she's your guiding light, right? Called. Yeah, we got, strangely, I'm gonna show you. We got message card. We got the call card. Yeah, see, the cards are telling you, the universe is telling you. I always pick up on the energy and the cards come out later, just confirming that, okay, Deepa, what you're thinking is right. Yeah. So now we'll check on the moonology. Wow, this divine masculine is addicted to you. Huh? I think in his 24 hours, he sees you for good 12, 15 hours. He only, sees your photos or videos or something like that. Yeah. So I just picked up the moonology. Take time to breathe out. Yeah, just take light, just chill with your divine feminine. And there is no, if I'm feeling like the divine masculine is scared to talk to divine feminine. There is nothing. Okay, we got the humor card. So the divine feminine is a very light person. I don't think she would be that serious or something like that, right? A new start is coming. A new moon. Yeah, the new start is coming. there is light at the end of the tunnel, right? The divine masculine is coming out of this. He's gonna quit. Someday he's just going to get so angry that he's just gonna leave everything. Like he would feel that whatever happens, I'll see it later, but I'm gonna get myself out of here. Yeah. So let's check on the divine feminine cards. Mary of, yeah, he feels so motherly, and I'm feeling so lovable as I'm doing this video. Divine masculine is like that. He feels so lovable. He has so much love for his divine feminine. See, he feels like a mother. I think he feels motherly, or could be this divine feminine pampers you a lot. Yeah, and he likes that. This divine masculine is, I will tell you the zodiacs as well, like what all I picked up. So the divine masculine is a Taurus or a Virgo and a Leo. I'm also picking up, we didn't get any water card. Yeah, we get all of the earth signs and an Aries, right? And a Cancerian, yeah. Because, yeah, we got the moon card, so it's a Cancer. So these, even if it's not okay, it doesn't mean that when I say zodiac, it has to be that zodiac. It could be a moon, Mars, or Venus are in this chart placements as well. And every person has a little bit of everything in their chart. So yeah. So here, because we got the new start, the Cancer is more dominant, right? Because I picked the moon, moonology, and the Cancer came. So the new moon came. So it's a Cancer energy is very strong. And we also have the Virgo energy very strongly. Yeah. Let's see what else. Bridget, the goddess of eternal flame. Oh my god, this guy knows that you are his twin flame. He knows it because I got the card of eternal flame. So he knows that I'm an eternal flame and each day my light grows. So he's feeling like, you are in a spotlight in his life. He's put you on a pedestal. He's feeling like that. You are so important to him. He's amazed. He's amazed and thanking the universe that how did this happen? How did I get such a beautiful gift? How? You know, I'm feeling like this guy turned spiritual because of you. Yeah? He turned spiritual because of you. He was earlier a playboy Casanova, something of that category. Because I got a lot of Wands card here. So he did have a good sexual, relationship with many girls. So yeah, he's shocked. I think he was in a good shock for a 6 months, or 9 months, something just in the shock state. Like, how did universe give me this? Even am I even deserving this? That's what he's asking himself. But if you didn't deserve this, why would the universe give you, right? So yeah, I got the, I'm feeling like I have to close out. So let's just pick up another 2, 3 cards, and then I'm gonna read out the messages so that it could convey to any of you that is, wanting to, um, you know, get a better clarity. Yeah, the wheel. Whoever is that person divine masculine is dealing with is going to self fall in the pit. Yeah, this person you would, leave from here, and this person will deal with the karmic for, treating you this way, or, being behind you or something. This person is going to fall in a karmic cycle. Yeah. And the empress, yeah, this guy wants to start a family. He sees there is a beautiful future. Okay, the light is at the end of the tunnel. Do not lose hope, right? Now let's pick on some messages, like what are the messages the universe wants to convey, right? I daydream of our future together. I felt with that empress card. He's planning. He wants to make you mother. Like he wants you to have a child, like his child. He wants you to be pregnant. I'm always getting this pregnancy. Like he wants to make you pregnant. Yeah. And yeah, I feel like I've known you all of my life. You are so mysterious. So he, every day he sees you, this divine masculine sees you, discovers something new about you. I'm also hearing the word that he's making notes. Like, okay, this person likes this. My divine feminine does not like this. So he's making notes so that he can give you what he wants, what you want more, precisely. He wants to win you over. He wants to impress you. I'm feeling like that, right? I can't wait to see you again. He wants to meet you and make love to you. Yeah. right? I don't see any problem here apart from this person this divine masculine is dealing with. This is the only person that is, stopping this union from happening, right? I didn't pick like any energy of divine feminine. Yeah, this is a message to the divine masculine, right? Or the divine feminines who want to check on their divine masculine. This is what this guy is dealing with. Yeah, I want you. He's telling so clearly. Even I got this in the other, like in my other day reading. I want you. He just wants you. He's clear cut. Yeah, our love will never cease to exist. Yeah, my beloved, can't live without you. What is everything? I need you to help me. Yeah, he wants your help to bring him out of this. Yeah, it is above his stamina or above his energy level. That person whom he's dealing with is very toxic. Somebody with equal positive energy need to strike that person. So yeah, guys, that is your reading. So I'll be back with another video. So let me know if you have any questions and write in the comments down below, right? Bye. See you all in the next video.